We are going to start our join statements by joining the employees table to the departments table. So let's go over here, and I'm going to show you a very easy join to do that for the most part we don't use very often, but it's a good one to show you first for a reason. Nope. We're going to get the department name and the last name from. Now, let's look at where these came from. Where did last name come from? Last name is from the employees table. Department name is from the departments table. So I'm going to pull them from the employees table. And the first join we're going to do is called a cross join. Cross join departments. So when we do joins, we list a table, we tell it what kind of join we're going to do, and then we list another table. And we'll see later on this is considered the left table and this is considered the right table. Okay, the first one mentioned is the left, the second one mentioned is the right. And that may seem to make perfect sense right now where we have both of them on the same line, because this one appears on the left and this one appears on the right. But that may not be quite as evident later on when our joins get more complicated. We might actually put them on different lines, but we always have to think of them as the one coming first being left, the one coming second being right, even though they might be stacked on several lines between them later on. So what is this cross join? Look what happens when I run this. Okay. Every one of my employees, it says, lists all 20 of them. Actually, I think there's 21, but we'll talk about that later. 20 of them as being administration. Then all 20 of them again with marketing. Then all 20 again with shipping. Then all 20 employees again with the IT department. What's it doing? A cross join takes every entry from the left table and matches it with every entry from the right table. And the question is why? Why would we want to do that? Because it's obvious all these people are not in the IT department and they're not all in the sales department. Why would we want to make every combination possible? And you can see we have 160 rows. Okay. 8 departments, 20 employees each. 8 times 20 is 160. Why would we want to do that? That's useless information. And you're right, for this example, it is really useless information. Very rarely is a cross join giving us something we can actually use. However, we can get cross joins by accident. If we mess up our where clause, we're trying to combine 2 tables and limit some rows, and we do something wrong in our where clause, or we do something wrong somewhere in our query, we may accidentally get a cross join. And you need to learn how to recognize that your results are a cross join so that you understand something is wrong. So that's the first reason that I like to talk about cross joins first, because something can go wrong and you'll accidentally get one and you need to understand what happened. There are rare circumstances where a cross join would be good. For instance, if we were doing some kind of product, maybe we're selling t-shirts that come in 6 different sizes and 4 different colors. Okay? And we're trying to generate every possible combination of color with shirt sizes to use in our web tool that people can buy our shirts from us, right? We might want to do a cross join between size and color to generate all those combinations. that's pretty rare that it would be useful in that way, and it might be kind of far-fetched. But there are a few other situations like that. But that's just one situation where it might be useful. But more than anything, learn to recognize when it happens in case it happens accidentally. In the next video, I am going to show you more useful joins than the cross join.